This is a very efficient, effective water ozonation system. It produces 2 liters of ozonated water, a glass container, glass diffuser, Teflon tubing or PTFE tubing, not only inside connecting to the glass ceramic bubbler, but also tubing all the way to the generator. We're using a generator that has an output of around 125 micrograms per milliliter. It comes in this very convenient portable system here. It includes the oxygen cylinder, regulator, a pump for air insufflation that pumps the air or the expanded gas into a destructor muffler and into the pump, and it's destroyed, so you don't have any ambient ozone. Outside the jar is a Teflon destructor with manganese dioxide on it, and that simply expresses no ozone in the atmosphere. So it's a very efficient system. Let's take a look at the bubble pattern. We'll turn on our bubbler and ozone generator here, and you'll see the very efficient micro bubbles that are being developed inside that. And making very, very fine bubbles mean you have a much larger surface area. And so it's a very efficient, very effective system. It'll give us a peak of around 8 parts per million at 70 degrees Fahrenheit water, and then almost 16 at 10 minutes. So 5 minutes around 8 parts per million, and 10 minutes gives you about 16. Well, let's turn off the generator, and now let's say that this is all ozonated, ready to go. You simply unscrew the lid, take the generator portion out, being careful not to break. We want to disconnect. Remove the lid and the ring, and then you put on a store and pour lid. It includes a breather tube, a nice spigot. It'll pour faster than your faucet at the sink. You put your ring on there, and now you have this store and pour unit to go inside your refrigerator. It stores very well this way. 8 hours. It'll still have significant ozone in there, so you can use it for washing pans, surfaces, cleaning wounds, washing vegetables, etc. Very efficient system. 2 liters, 5 minutes, all the concentration you need, ready to go.